How to clear up acne with hydrogen peroxide. As you may already know, your skin contains thousands of tiny little holes called pores. All pores have something inside them called sebaceous glands which produce an oil called sebum. Under normal circumstances, sebum exits the pore and doesn't cause any problems. In some unfortunate circumstances, the pore becomes blocked and infected, and the sebum gets stuck inside the pore, causing a pimple. The pimple usually starts as a black head or white head, sometimes too small to see with your eyes, and if the wall of the pore breaks, can form an inflamed pimple, also called a papule and pustule. 1. Clearing acne with hydrogen peroxide. Talk to your doctor first. Consult your doctor or dermatologist before trying hydrogen peroxide for your acne. Many experts don't recommend using hydrogen peroxide for acne due to its irritating and drying potential. Hydrogen peroxide H2O2 is a chemical which can act as both a bleach and a disinfectant. Our bodies actually produce small quantities of hydrogen peroxide to help attract white blood cells to areas where there's an infection. Because of its disinfectant abilities, hydrogen peroxide kills bacteria. But it isn't selective in what bacteria it kills, and our bodies contain a lot of necessary and healthy bacteria. Obtain the proper kind of hydrogen peroxide. You can use hydrogen peroxide to clear acne using one of two methods: in a cream, which contains a concentration of up to 1% hydrogen peroxide, and in pure liquid form, which should contain no more than a 3% concentration. Hydrogen peroxide can come in concentrations higher than 3%, but those higher concentrations should never be used on your skin. Hydrogen peroxide in a 3% concentration can almost always be found in a drugstore, near the first aid supplies. If you are only able to find hydrogen peroxide in larger concentrations, normally 35%, you will need to dilute it with water before using it on your face. To dilute a 35% concentration to 3%, you'll need 11 parts of water for every 1 part of hydrogen peroxide. 4. If you use the cream version, follow the instructions on the package as to how to apply it to your face, and how often. Wash your face using your normal daily routine. If you have acne, this should include using a gentle soap and only your hands, not cloths or brushes. Wash your face using warm water to help open the pores before cleansing and using the hydrogen peroxide. Dry your face completely before applying the hydrogen peroxide. Dry skin will absorb the hydrogen peroxide better than wet skin. Apply the hydrogen peroxide to your clean skin. Use a cotton pad, cotton ball, or even a Q-tip, soak it in the hydrogen peroxide, and move it over the affected areas of your skin. Do not apply it to unaffected areas. Leave it to soak into your skin for 5 to 7 minutes. Try out a small amount on a small area of your skin before putting it over larger areas to make sure your skin can tolerate it and that it doesn't cause too much irritation. And if it is too irritating to your skin, talk to your doctor about a different option. Do not apply hydrogen peroxide to the skin more than once a day. Apply oil-free moisturizer. After the hydrogen peroxide has soaked into your skin, gently apply a high-quality, oil-free facial moisturizer. One of the reasons that hydrogen peroxide works on acne is because it helps dry up the excess oil on your skin. A moisturizer helps ensure you do not completely dry out your skin and keeps your skin soft and smooth.